Hey everyone, and welcome to another Bricklink opening. Let's go ahead and get right into this. I know there's a couple of minifigs in here, but we'll see what else we got. Alright. Alrighty. Got our nice little list. They printed it out in color and everything. That's going to be helpful, especially for putting the parts on later. Alright. Couple things I got here, some base plates. They had this pretty cheap, so I went ahead and picked some of those up for Bricklanta because, of course, I don't think we can ever have enough plates. And we got a sticker set here. This is from set number 70607, and I believe it's an Ninjago thing. It's got some fish stickers on there, and of course some different writing. So yeah, we have some plans for some of those. For like little shops and stuff, especially in our Asian area. So I think those may work pretty nicely. All right, got some random, let's see. These are black slope inverted 3x2s without connection studs. And I believe these are for my SUV. I think all the black stuff's gonna be for my SUV. I got a few more things here for the SUV for, these are some 1x2 tiles with groove. Those are also, I think, for some of the side panels. And I ordered some extra as well. Oh, these are really good. These are going to be the windows for the SUV that we're making. And the picture for the SUV should be tagged onto the end of this video. I don't know if I've said that already. I think I thought it was going to be done, but then we wound up missing a couple of things here. I know the design, I had to change it a little bit after I had got the last set, so that's why it did not include pictures, but this one should definitely have them. Here are some, let's see, these are the, I think, 1x2. Yeah, these are the sloped, curved 1x2, no studs. So those are also black. I needed a couple of those, but then I figured I needed a couple more of those. Oh, this is a really cool character. Okay, so we totally missed the Yellow Submarine Beetle set. So I got the minifigs, because I really don't care about the submarine. It's the minifigs I really want to have around Bricklanta. So I was able to pick up Paul for around $6 American. So it wasn't bad, even though he's used. Yeah, he looks really good. So super happy to have him. Got to get his 3 companions here soon. All right. I've also got some, they put a few random things in here. We've got 1x6 black plates with studs. I have some 1x6 black tiles. I also have some 1x4 tan tiles. I'm trying to think of what the tan tiles are for. I don't remember what they're for, but they are for one of the things we're currently building. Okay, then I have 1x2, just regular. They probably threw my hinges in there too. Yeah, I have 1x2 plates. Let's see if they have my hinges. I had 1x2 hinges as well. I don't see those in there, so. Let's see what else we got. We have some 1x3 or 3x1 brown sloped. I need these. The tan may be for... These might be for the shrimp shack. We bought 2 shrimp shacks and combining them into one. So there's that. Oh, I got my windows as well. I didn't think these came together, or I didn't think I had ordered them. I didn't think they had them, but I guess I did. So there's the windows for my. Oh, there's the actual glass pieces for the windows that I ordered, which are the black 1x2x2 plain windows. We're going to use those for the SUV. Super excited to get the SUV done. I'm just going to really move the scene along that we're working on. All right, I have modified 1x1 with studs here, black as well, SUV as well. All right, then I've got dark tan modified 1x2 logs. These are for the shrimp shack. I needed to add a couple of walls. I needed 15 and I got 15, so I should be able to finish that as well, or at least be almost done with it. Here is another minifig. This one and Paul, they kind of boosted the order a little bit more than what I wanted, but regardless, I have Civil War Captain America. I'm really excited about that. Love the fig. I'm just going to go for another scene we're working on as well. So you can probably guess which one if you know anything about Civil War. Maybe. There's a couple of scenes you could actually recreate. But I'm going for one specific one. All right, here's a 1x2 with hinge that I mentioned earlier. They do have those. And then these are the 3x2 right black wedges. For whatever reason, I have like 12 or 10 or 12 of the lefts. I needed the rights. So it's just one of those things where you go looking and you find lots of wedges and every single one of them are left. So anyway, this is a small order, but there's some really good things here and some things I think that are going to be able to help us move along with a couple of things that have not been finished, so I can actually post these videos and show some, a little bit more of our city. The city video is coming, I promise. I'm trying to figure out if it's where it needs to be for the first video, although it can be a mess. It doesn't need to be, it's definitely not going to be finished, but yeah, I'm definitely going to get a video posted for that very soon. I think I wanted to get this SUV done first so I can show the scene in full as part of the city we're doing. But anyway, yeah, Bricklanta is coming along and I'm excited to show you guys, and we'll see you next time.